Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are using the new Crystal Lane Hot Fix Applicator Wand and Rhinestones from John Bead. No need for glue with these rhinestones. The glue is already spread across the back of each rhinestone and ready for application. Plus, the adhesion is incredible. Once they're applied, you can wash whatever they're applied to over and over again. Since Boho is making a comeback, today we're making some beautiful, colorful boho cuffs, and we're applying rhinestones with my new Hot Fix applicator. Are you ready? Let's make some boho cuffs. While the boho style is closely and strongly associated with the hippie style of the 60s and 70s, the fact remains that bohemian fashion actually commenced as a counterculture back in the 18th century. Modern rhinestone motifs and hot fix stones are an inexpensive way to decorate garments, but back in the day, rhinestones were only used by royalty. George Frederick Strauss, a Parisian jeweler, was the first to manufacture faux gems in about 1730, and they were quite expensive to make. Each stone had to be hand cut and coated with metallic powder to make them sparkle. Shout out to my friend Lena Gillespie, who inspired me to add rhinestones to faux flowers. She is so talented. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And for more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye!